Hello, class. This is the spelling test from March 15th, 2018 for List 2. Please make sure that you have selected your name from the list first. After you hear the word, you can pause the video so you can type it. You can also rewind the video to hear the word again. Do your best. Here we go. Number 1, day. Day. It is a sunny day. Number 2, hour. Hour. Did you see our house? Number 3, trail. Trail. There is a nature trail behind the skating rink. Number 4, play. Play. I want to play kickball. Number 5, hood. Hood. My father closed the hood of the car. Number 6, quail. Quail. The baby quail hatched from its egg. Number 7, took. Took. The squirrel took the acorn. Number 8, chain. Chain. The fence was locked with a chain. Number 9, carry. Carry. Can you carry that bag? Number 10, spray. Spray. My grandmother likes to spray perfume. Those are the spelling words for this week. Great job, everybody. See you next time.